Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Myntri badai pej eka kampo Pohïng kesorkar jela uba la kemen remboi ulapha da ka sithi terwa enokam nakatnat home police tang sisngi hadien ka jingsha setiap jong uba cherish the field thank you general secretary berem jo kesengle no New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC hakini ki sithi ka bola tho so Myntri rang ba ka jela kon rat kongkal sangma uba la kemen remboi ulapan pau ka jingkendet da ka boong ba ki pulet kilaya shaba palat upot jong ka an ha ka jinglek khanra jong ki shaka yengsa jong ba cherish the field thank you ha kenton masar ha ka step perngap jong ka sngi tho ding ka khatlai trek unai lar arajar arpui ha ka juk por uba lakmen ula kerpat ru banthong da ka jingtok ket ke bala jluai halor kene ka jingja hadu bathoi kene khobor ampat shimla yok tien ai na ka liang jong sarkar la kala pediang ne em ya ka jing enok kam jong uba lakmen rembui
Menta kasih pandang lawan po nong stoy niya kendo ya u presiden ke parti but ki senior leader jam ke parti nang benta kane ke jingjia ka bah ka khalai trip ubna akos araja arphwe ka ba long ka ba jingjia basmusi tenakal yang kajong na ngalarai ban ong yo sim chip nistar ba un sim no ya ka tenat kampo yin nanga nado menta kasngi ya ka ne lale khnang ba kano konok inquiry ka ba ka sarkar kan le kan long kabas khoi bat kabas sai kaban nom don kan dau ka jing artatem haki pajba bat nga ai jing mot ba yaw chief minister ba ka judicial inquiry deban institute khnang ba ke ek bajia ha ka step thanga kan mi perthei bat kan shai yaw pai ba babun balang today after coming from Nongstoy I had a meeting with our party president and also the senior member of the party whereby I have explained to them regarding the incident which happened on 13th of August 2021, where I have decided to write to the Chief Minister to relieve me, to relieve the Police Department from me. This step have been taken to clear the doubt in the mind of the people when the government institute any inquiry regarding this incident. And also I propose that judicial inquiry be conducted so that all the facts of the matter could be brought into light regarding this unfortunate incident which happened on the 13th of August 2021.
ha lor ka jingpha sithi enokam jo uba lakmen remboi na katanat ki kampo Pohïng kabalaja ha ka janmie jo kasngi ublei ka khat santre unai lar arajar arphoi u shom knor ka yeng dor bar thawan ka jela uba met ba lingdo ula panchai ba ka sang United Democratic Party kala menjer lang da ka wei ka suri ka ni ha ka jing bin shai pet ba uba met ba lingdo ula ong ba ka jing enokam jo uba lakmen remboi na katanat home police kalong banwa ra biang ka jing shania klem kanu kanu jing atatien na ki pajba ban laj na kino jing bore ha ka ba ka jing to ket ru kan ya klem kanu jing thon ban lap ya baro jing shisha halor ka jing sha set yam uba cherish the field thank you ha ka step perngap jong ka sngi tho ding ka khalai trek nai lar arajar arphui U shongknor ke indor bar thaw an ke jala u ba met ba ling do lo ong ba ka jingshim ye ni sinjam ban e no kam nakat nat home police kalong ka le da ka mensiem ke badan ye ka jingkit kle.
It is very sad to learn that on the 13th of this month, an incident that took place at Maulai Kantamasa, where during the police raid in the house of the Sheriff Rafil, thank you, it has caused the life of this person. And I'm to express my sorrow to this loss. And today, when we have all met as the senior leaders of the party, along with the ministers who are in the government, and in the presence of Mr. Lakman Rumboy, who is our Home Minister, after we have had a conversation over the telephone, because I was out of station and he was also on the way to Nongstoin yesterday daytime to take the salute for the Independence Day today. For that we could not meet, and but I had called for the emergency meeting today in the afternoon, where he has expressed, and after a detailed and thorough discussion which we had, he had expressed his willingness to send a letter to the Chief Minister where he would like to be relieved from home portfolio which he is still holding till now, and that he has taken the decision to ensure that there will be a free and fair inquiry on the incident. We have suggested also from his advice that a judicial inquiry should be instituted immediately without any delay in order to clear the doubts which are there in the mind of the people. Why this incident has taken place, which has led to the death of Bathankyu. So therefore, jointly as a party, with one voice, we have heard from the Honourable Minister, and we felt that that was the right decision. As a responsible leader, he has taken it in a very matured manner, and we fully support that. And we would request the Chief Minister also to relieve home portfolio from him. So it all depends on the Chief Minister now to take a call on the letter, in which he will be submitting the letter to the Chief Minister, and to see that the inquiry that we had requested the Honourable Chief Minister be instituted at the earliest to clear all the doubts, as I've said, in the mind of the people.